Give it up for Arun and Varun. Yes.
So he's my partner Varun.
And he's Arun.
And before we start, let's do a quick exercise. And for that, keep your cell phone in your pocket. Keep your coffee mug aside and stand up. Everyone. Everybody.
All you have to do is repeat us. All you have to do is copy us. Now you extend your both arms like this and start waving. It's a little exercise. You will feel very good about it. Now start waving. Now do it like this. Now do it like this. Thank you so much for giving us standing ovation. Thank you. But it's not over yet.
It's not over now. If you have allowed us to deceive your mind, you will not be able to do this.
Right?
Try. And now go like this.
I can see somebody's still mind there.
And take your seats.
Okay, have your seat.
So thank you so much again, guys. And today we're going to talk about a very beautiful thing, that is decision. In our life, we move ahead, we take decisions. And all what we are today is because of the decisions that we have taken or the decisions that we take. And for this experiment, we will be taking some decisions. And for this, we need
a girl from the audience and ma'am you. आप अपनी नजरें चुरा नहीं सकती हैं. एक बार मैम के लिए जोरदार ताली होनी.
Please come here. ताली बजती रहना है.
Okay, so why we have chosen? Okay, first of all, your name? Kaushiki.
Yeah.
That's a unique name.
Unique name.
Okay, so Kaushiki, you know why we have chosen a girl for this particular experiment? Because there is a very famous study that says a girl with a little extra weight are better decision makers. So we can say you will be a
Better decision maker.
better decision maker.
Yeah, that's perfect. So now, Kaushiki, this entire game is of imagination,
Okay.
right? So you have to imagine as if I am holding a sealed pack of cards. You can imagine it?
Okay.
All right, perfect. Now take this pack,
Okay.
and you have to do is you have to shuffle the cards. Just shuffle it.
Okay.
Shuffle it. That's perfect. Shuffle it. A very important information, Kaushiki. To shuffle the pack, you have to open the pack first. Better decision maker, eh?
Yeah.
Open the pack. Give me the case.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take the case. That's perfect. I'll keep it on this imaginary table and shuffle the cards. Shuffle it. That's perfect. Keep on going. Cards should be thoroughly mixed. That's perfect. Now I take an invisible table and that's in front of you. Now we have to eliminate the jokers from these 54 cards. If you know, a sealed pack contains 2 jokers, right? Just spread the cards so that we can eliminate the jokers. Spread the cards. Kaushiki, we have to eliminate the jokers. So cards should be facing us. You have to put them down. So just turn them upside down. That's perfect. See how smoothly she did? That's perfect. Now that's joker number 1. It's gone. And this is, joker number 2, gone. Now you have got 52 cards. Take all those cards and start shuffling.
Okay.
That's perfect. Alright, so now you have to make a big fan and show it to everyone. Make a big fan and show it to everyone. So everyone can see the cards, right? Anyone who cannot see the cards? Okay, so in a moment, 3% out of the audience will make a quick decision for all of us. And sir, there are 2 types of cards, black and reds. Which one do you want to pick? Red ones or the black ones? Black ones, perfectly fine. Black ones.
All right.
And sir, with the tie, you are looking smart. But the black one contains a spade and a clubs. Which one do you pick? Clubs. Perfectly fine. Ma'am, there are 13 clubs. Which one you want to pick out of the 13 clubs? Anyone?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5.
5.
It's 5 of clubs. So the card is 5 of clubs.
So, Kaushiki,
Yeah.
now you are the woman in charge.
Okay.
You have the veto power.
Okay.
Would you like to stick to 5 of clubs, or you will use your power and you want to change your mind?
5 of clubs?
You will stick to 5 of clubs, or you want to change your mind, or you want to use your powers?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to use your powers?
So you are happy with your current mind, right?
Yeah, so you don't want to change. Perfect. Alright, so now take the 5 of club from the pack, take the 5 of club, flip it over, and put it back to the pack.
Okay.
Close the pack. So now what you have done, all the cards are facing in one direction except for the one card, and that is a black, a club and a 5. That is a 5 of club. Now take this pack, box, put the cards inside the box again.
Okay.
That's perfect. Now close it. And now come here, come here. On count of 3, you have to throw the pack. It should take a parabolic motion and land inside that paper, right? It's an empty bag. So now on count of 3, I say 1, I say 2 and 3. It goes there and lands it. You see that? That's perfect.
Because your imagination has turned into reality, and now we are having a pack of cards, and you
Pack
know
of
what?
card.
All the cards
in
are
the pack. Just
shuffled.
come here.
All the cards are shuffled, as you can see, except for the only one card,
All the cards in same direction except for the one card, and that's
a black card, a
a
club's
black card, a club's
and
card, and that's a 5 of clubs.